Meet the XIAOMI V88 Drone, your gateway to professional-grade aerial photography without the professional price tag. Designed for explorers, creators, and adventure seekers, this next-generation 8K dual-camera quadcopter redefines how you capture the world from above. Equipped with a self-stabilizing 8K HD lens and electronic image stabilization, the V88 delivers ultra-clear cinematic footage, whether you're soaring high over landscapes or gliding through urban skylines. Its 90-degree adjustable camera and 50x zoom ensure that every shot is perfectly framed every time. With 5G high-frequency image transmission, enjoy real-time FPV streaming up to 1,500 meters, crystal clear and lag-free. Combine that with optical flow positioning and altitude hold for rock-steady hovering, even in tricky conditions. Powerful yet intuitive, the V88 offers a massive 5,000-meter control range and an impressive 40-minute flight time. Powered by a 3.7-volt, 2,200 mAh intelligent lithium battery. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be back in the air in just about an hour. Through the dedicated mobile app, you can plan custom flight routes, control the drone with just a tap, or use gesture recognition to snap photos and start video recording completely hands-free. Fly confidently with 720-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The intelligent sensors detect obstacles in every direction, automatically stopping or rerouting your drone before impact, giving you total control and peace of mind. The brushless motor system delivers superior power, quiet operation, and a longer service life, ensuring a smooth, stable, and responsive flight experience every single time. Compact, foldable, and lightweight at just 132 grams, the V88 is travel-friendly and aviation-safe, perfect for creators on the go. From 8K Ultra HD clarity to intelligent flight control, the XIAOMI V88 drone isn't just a toy, it's your new creative companion in the sky. Experience precision, capture brilliance, fly smarter with the XIAOMI V88 drone. Subscribe to Caring Guy for more tech reviews from Caring Guy.